Hello, I'm Rhonda Porter, mortgage advisor from the greater Seattle area, and I'm here with your weekly mortgage rate update for the first week of May 2025. Last week, we had the ADP and the BLS jobs reports released for the month of April. And last Wednesday, the ADP report came in weaker than expected, reporting that only 62,000 jobs were added. This is much lower than the 115,000 jobs that were forecasted and was the slowest hiring pace since July. But on Friday, we had the controversial BLS jobs report reporting that 177,000 jobs were added, which is much hotter than the 130,000 jobs for April. So the ADP report is known to be more reliable. It's based on different methods used for forecasting and reporting. And it's unfortunate that the BLS report carries a lot of weight and influences the market as it does and mortgage interest rates. Optimal Blue reports that rates as of Friday, May 2nd, were averaging for the 30-year fix 6.755%, and that's basically the same as what I reported for you last week. So, just really close to the same. So, basically unchanged as far as week over week is concerned. And do remember that Optimal Blue Index is an average from about 35% of the mortgage lenders who rely on Optimal Blue for locking in their interest rates. So we don't know the other factors that are going into these scenarios, such as how long the lock periods are, what the person's credit scores are, or if they're paying anything for points to buy down the rate. So for your personal financial rate quote, please reach out to me. I am happy to prepare that for you. This week, we have the highly anticipated interest rate announcement on Wednesday following the Fed's two-day meeting. It's widely expected the Fed will not adjust the Fed funds rate and that this has already been priced into the markets. It will be interesting to hear the Fed's take on the economy with Fed Chair Powell's press conference that follows the Fed announcement. It's 11:40 a.m. as I prepare this, and mortgage-backed securities are down about 9 basis points, and the Dow Jones is up at about 105 basis points. So we'll see how everything wraps up here shortly. Federal student loans have been on hold since March of 2020, and as of today, the government can withhold payments like tax refunds and Social Security benefits to cover delinquent debts. So later this summer, it's reported that employers may be instructed to garnish wages up to 15%. So this can really be a tough predicament for some people. And if you happen to be in the spot and you own a home, you may want to consider a cash out refi or possibly a home equity line of credit to pay off your student loans. So contact me if you would like to review your options. If you've been thinking about a reverse mortgage for you or your parents or maybe someone that you know, I will be hosting an online Zoom meeting with Charles Butler. So this will take place on Thursday, May 22nd from 12 to 1. And so you can do this over your lunch hour. And it'll be online so you can join in from your personal computer. So I'll have more information soon. And of course, you can reach out to me for more info as well or to sign up. So if you're thinking about buying, selling, refinancing, remodeling, or a reverse mortgage on your home, please reach out to me. I'm happy to help you even if it's months away. Take care, and I hope to talk to you soon. Bye-bye.